Can I have one go? You know, we are here because this is for posterity. We just want to know the truth.
Co-chairs,
Yes.
there are so many questions. I wish you let us respond to some, then we move to others.
I guess this is the final one. Probably.
By the some could be related.
Yeah.
Yeah, just not so that the ones that are related, you don't have to answer me and answer Opio if we ask the same thing. Answer generally.
Yeah, you know, this
we are not in court one day.
this is for historians to record. That's why we are undertaking this process. I remember in 1937 in the U.S. during the reign of Franklin Roosevelt, the fight to defend the Supreme Court of the United States of America. When Roosevelt wanted to add 6 justices to water it down, one senator was so emotional, fought for Roosevelt so hard that in the evening he just collapsed in his room and died, and the president lost the fight. Now, as we want to know the truth from you, the trial of O.J. Simpson, the gloves were given to him, and the jury said, if they fit, you murdered. If they don't, you didn't. The question in the room is how to apply Article 138(3)(c). The Supreme Court has said in paragraph 49 that the chairman cannot arrogate himself the power to receive the result from the polling station, as Commissioner Omar says. The Supreme Court says you receive the results, and the chairman and you, the 6 of you, supervise and oversight the tallying. That if you did that, then the Constitution standard was met. The question I am asking, did the 4 of you participate in a graphic form? Did you participate in receiving results? Just give me like a returning officer has come from Borabu to Bomas. He has the results Senator Omar is referring to. They arrive at Bomas, and you are supposed to verify and tally the results. Did you collectively, in compliance with the Constitution, jointly verify those results and tally? If you did not, you tell us it goes on record. You did not, we know that was only the chairman. Therefore, that will be contrary to the provisions of Article 138 and the findings of the Supreme Court. I wish I can hear that from each one of you, the 4 of you. Then number 2 and final. You know, this Constitution that we all say the supreme law of the land. In Article 86, obligated you as commissioners. It says that that is voting. In every election, you as IBC will ensure that whatever voting method and the system that you deploy, you as commissioners, must be simple, accurate, verifiable, secure, and accountable. If we wanted to verify the results that were announced today, if we want to do a verification, is the system that you put in place secure? Is it verifiable? Can we open and see what is in those servers? In your own word, you are the people who put it in place. Can we verify the results that was announced by the chairman? If you could answer those 2 questions, it will give me some comfort. And then finally, I just wanted to know, there is a finding by the Supreme Court in paragraph, I think, 59, okay? And they have made a very far-reaching finding on the integrity of the entire process. What could you describe was the role of the CEO? And maybe what he told us was a committee of I think, verifying and doing the tallying of the results. What role did they play? If you compare your role